Hello everyone, and welcome to a brief lecture on the course curriculum. In this lecture, I'm going to be giving you just a bird's eye view of all the sections in this course. We'll first start off by completing this section of the course introduction section, by talking about briefly what is data science, and then giving you the link for the course frequently asked questions. After that, we'll talk about the course best practices, and learn the best way to approach this course. Things such as how to get help in this course, and then we'll discuss installation and setup for this course. And there's different sections for Windows users, Mac users, or Linux users. After that, we'll finally get started with R programming by starting with the basics. We'll learn about vectors, matrices, data frames, and lists in R. Then we'll move on to topics such as data input and output in R. We'll learn how to read a variety of file formats such as CSV, Excel, SQL, and even web scraping with R. Then we'll get started by learning about actual programming with R. Things such as logical operators, if, else, and else if statements, while loops, for loops, and how to create functions. If you're already familiar with those ideas from another programming language, you can just quickly reference the notebooks to grab the syntax. If you're completely new to computer programming, we'll go over these topics step by step for you in the video lectures. Then we'll move on to data visualization. In this section of the course, we'll learn how to create interactive visualizations and static visualizations with ggplot2. Once we're done with those topics, we'll have capstone projects, a data visualization final project, and then a capstone data project. Then we'll move on to the second half of the course, which covers all the machine learning topics. And we'll have an introduction to machine learning with R lecture that will give an overview of that section of the course. Alright, that was a very brief discussion of the course curriculum. If you want the full curriculum, you can always just check the course landing page. Thanks everyone, and let's go ahead and get started with the rest of the course.